Dear friends, greeting from the online support. My name is Soyo and I welcome all of you to the online support. In this video, we are going to discuss how to download the VSDC video software for the Windows. Before we start, let's roll the intro. Open a Chrome browser and type VSDC in search bar and press the enter button. After that, click on the first link. It will open an official website of VSDC. After that, go to the download tab and click on the video editor. Then select your version as per 60 as per your device. The size of the file is 97.5 MB. For that, I select a 64-bit version and download these. Click on it. It will start downloading. Uh, I have already downloaded it, so that I go to the downloads and here is this. Then after downloading it, go to the folder. Where is it? Uh, Go to the folder. Then double click on it. It will ask for the permission. Click OK. Then click on the next. Then here is the radio button. Click on the I accept the agreement and then next. Again click on the next, and here you can change uh, your folder location. For that, browse and select where you want to store. Then click next. uh, Exist. Okay, yes. Then click on the next. Click on next and install. It will take some time, so close it and click on the finish button. Okay, in this way you can download the VSDC software from the Chrome. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel.